On the left-hand side, go to Apps, scroll down until you see More from Canva, and then click Bulk Create. So what this allows you to do is that it allows you to bulk create multiple designs so that you don't have to create one from scratch every single time. So if you have a design that you like and you want to create multiple designs that are similar to that design, you can use this bulk create feature to be able to create multiple designs quickly and efficiently. So what you do is you connect your data source to Canva. So it can be any of these apps here, from Google Sheets to Google Analytics, BigQuery. If you have an Excel sheet, you can also connect it here. If you want to enter your data manually, you can also enter your data manually here. I'm just going to use enter data manually for this example. So let's say I have a bunch of text here that I already manually inputted from the beginning. And I can create more if I want to. So let's say I want to create designs that include just these letters here. Once I'm done, I can click done here. I can also clear the table if I want to start over, but I'm just going to click done here. And so now I have created the table which I want to create the bulk designs for. And so now I need to select which part of my design I want to include all of this data here. So in this case, I'm just going to select this piece of text here. I'm going to right click it, and then I'm going to click connect data. I can either search for a data field, or I can match this data table, which is, I didn't give it a name, but right now it's called empty1. I'm just going to match to empty1. And then once I do that, I can click continue. So now it wants me to confirm that I want to create these pages based on the data that I've entered here. So it's going to create 11 new designs in this example. So I'm just going to click create. And now if I go to the top and view design, now I've created 11 new designs that have the data that I wanted. So the more complex your text is, so let's say if you have more than just one letter, you have like paragraphs, then you might need to rearrange the positioning of the text itself. But I'm just trying to keep this example really simple just to show you how you can bulk create multiple designs so that you can create designs more efficiently so that you don't have to try to create one from scratch every single time. And you'll know that you're on the correct path when you see this bulk one label here. So that means that this design has been bulk created using the bulk create app. And you can come to share, download, and you can download all these pages here, select the file type, and just download it to your computer. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.